Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how we can remove SMD component, this IC, using hot air gun. I am using Weller WR3M hot air gun. And we will remove this IC. We need soldering paste, desoldering braid, solder wire, liquid solder, tweezers. I will apply a little amount of paste on the IC. Now we will heat up from this direction so that the hot air will not reach to these components. Otherwise, with high temperature and hot air, these components will fly away. If any component will miss, that will make a big problem. If there are many components surrounding to this component, that time we need to apply mask. I will apply alcohol and clean it. Now we will clean the tracks. Now the tracks are clean. Now again clean it.